To use macro mode on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to launch our camera. Then in the photo mode and in the pro mode, you'll be able to find this plant icon. When you click on it, you enter macro mode. And what you may notice at first, that is, it doesn't zoom in instantly like it's used to on other devices with macro, but it works kind of differently. So let's change to the photo mode and select our macro. And now when we take something and actually put camera straight into a thing, make sure it's well lighted though. As you can see, the focus is great, and when we change to normal camera, the focus is kind of bad. So right here, let's do the comparison. This is a camera without macro, and this is macro. And that's how you enter macro mode on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.